Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are again, another day on Miami Beach. Gonna bring you guys on the road today, see what out on the road is like. So this is the beach. If you're new, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to like and comment. Alright, so we're exiting the beach, heading out on the road. Show you guys what the road is like. Ocean Boulevard. Every day of the week, non-stop. So we're heading outside. So this is the little recreational area first. You have volleyball. Then out on the road you have food, shopping, partying, clubbing, everything. Then down there is the outside gym. So multiple persons can play volleyball at the same time. We have a area to wash off here. Let's take a walk down to the outside gym. All the gym equipment is out there. It's free of cost to use that gym as well. So we have a G-Wagon there and a Rolls Royce.
So let's do it there or nowhere. We're not starting here.
These are bicycles for rent. You can rent by the half an hour. So it's $4.50, 30 minutes. This is a very iconic photo op. A lot of persons take pictures here and upload to Instagram. Persons are lined up waiting. So we have a party joint. So we have a Luma Spark. So cops rolling in. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna cross over to the other side, give you guys a closer tour. Just walking on the other side. So we have a Bentley here, all black, black on black.
What model do you have? Mercedes?
Yeah.
That's 550.
Right, not tonight.
Alright, you did pretty good. You did pretty good. We're gonna get you a shot right now. Can we get Cassie a shot at the bar, please, for our bride to be? We'll probably get you up later on, I'm sure. She's gonna be nice and white girl wasted. They get you right here at the bar, but I want to see somebody else at the bar. New York. Hey! Work it, work it. You ready? Now give it to her. 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 She dropped it when it was hot. Make some noise for New York. Oh, you got another shot. You got another shot.
Alright guys, this is where I'll leave you. Miami Beach, Ocean Drive. Remember to leave your comments, subscribe, share this video. This is just giving you a feel of Miami Beach. We have convertibles. Alright guys, see you on the next video.